Hello Python enthusiast, welcome back to our series Mastering RegEx in Python. We have previously dissected dot patterns, asterisk patterns and plus patterns. Today we are uncovering another interesting pattern, the square brackets pattern. So let's dive in. Square brackets in regex create a character set. This means our pattern will match any character within the brackets. It's a great tool when we want to match any character from a specific set. So let's jump into the code. We'll begin by defining a regex pattern to match any character within the brackets. So here I have defined the pattern as aeiou, and then let's go ahead and define a string for pattern matching. So here I am using the string as hey, let's decode regular expressions, because that's what we are doing, aren't we? Let's go ahead and also write the match statement to find the results. So I have written result equals re.findAll pattern string as the parameters. So we are supposed to get a list as our result that has all the matches. And at last, let's write the print statement so we can view our results. Now let us understand this code. In the pattern, the brackets indicate that any character A, E, I, O or U in the string will be a match. So as you can see, our print statement should return all of these characters whenever they match in our string. So let's quickly run this code now. And there we have it. We have E, 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 O, E, E, U, A, E, I, O. Now, well, that sounds like a gibberish, but if you notice, each character that we mentioned within our pattern, whenever it matched in the string, wherever it matched in the string, we have gotten it down right here. So square bracket patterns are a powerful tool that add a lot of versatility to our pattern matching capabilities. Remember, practice makes perfect. Now experiment with different characters inside the square brackets. The more patterns you try, the more you'll understand. And that's all for today. You're now familiar with square bracket pattern in Python's regular expression. Keep practicing and we'll meet again in the next episode for more regex fun. Until then, happy coding!